video, for watching my video, for subscribing. Thank you guys. I love you so much. Hi guys, you're welcome back to today's video. Long time guys. How you guys doing? My baby wants to say hi. Hi guys. Yeah, today is Sunday and we are saying happy Sunday to you guys. Oh man, this heat is much. We are having rice and beans. No, sorry, white rice and plantain. Yes.
No meat.
With no meat, yes.
That's how to eat rice with no meat.
How to eat rice with no meat. Without how to eat rice without meat. How do you eat it?
With hidden.
How do you eat it? It's funny. You don't want crayfish, guys. I don't like crayfish. I don't like crayfish. I don't want head of crayfish. I don't like crayfish. Eat crayfish. Crayfish is good for body. Okay? Good boy. So guys, how you guys doing? Long time no see. Yeah, come and join us. And sorry about the noise. You guys know. Most of my subscribers know about, because I've told you guys so many times that we have mosque beside our house. So they are doing their own prayer. And I'm doing my own thing here. So yeah. And here's my own food. What? Thank you, my son. God bless you. And here is Igwe, my first son, black handsome, white boy, white boy. Yes.
Make agree.
Which one? Make agree.
Make agree, girl.
Lungani.
If you don't understand the language, forget about it.
Is it? I think you gotta go here so they can see your face. You
Regard.
gotta. Carefully. Oyibo. So, when I come shop, when I come join me. Guys, let me tell you people I make this too. I bleach the oil and I fry my pepper. I love when I bleach oil and I bleach oil, fry my pepper. When I use it to eat white rice, I love it. Yeah, I enjoy it. Ada, my sweetie Ada, this crayfish, okay? Go and clean your nose. I'll be looking your food. Nobody will touch it, yeah? I'll be looking it, yeah? Mm-hmm. Go and clean your nose, my darling. Go. I'll be looking at that food like this. Nobody will touch it. Guys, the other day we are complaining about Harmattan. Cold, eh? Now Harmattan don't go. Heat everywhere. You're coming? No. Yeah? This guy can come fast. So.
It's a fast. Oh Lord. Kazura panda ile kazupe. Thank you, my God.
You don't take water. How many times do you do? How many times have I told you? When you are eating, make sure you drink your water. So go and get your water. All those places, I don't like those places. No, I want to. How do you off your phone? Oh, fine. Yeah, so I think I move your clothes. Move your clothes.
Okay.
So, guys, we are finished eating.
You can take my rice. So. Oh, you guys are okay. Oh, yeah, take my own. You will share it for you.
Oh, they should eat it together.
People can eat it in my plate.
Eat it together. Abi? And I stop eating spoon. Eat. Don't wait for them. Don't eat the plastic.
Is another will share one.
We share this one.
Good.
The daddy say, I want more pepper, I want more pepper. You don't finish, I want.
Because I need to drink that blood tonic. So I know the feature. Please, they bring the blood tonic for me.
So guys, thank you so much for watching.
Guys,
see my face with black dot.
With Chinese, you are Chinese tape.
People tell me use this one, use this one. Even people that I know here, they will say use this one. I'm using one thing now. It's basically my face yellow, and I want to stop it. But the pimples go away, oh, but my face is light, so I have to stop it. But the only thing I remember now is those black dots. Those black dots. I don't know. One day go. So guys, we love you guys so much. Thank you for your love and support. Till my channel. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah, everybody say bye bye.
Bye. Bye.